Today we've got a dissemination event for a big research project we've been doing with UKRI. So the research project concentrates on looking at the adoption of Cherry. Cherry is memory safety hardware technology. So we're looking at what are the economic benefits or disbenefits of doing so in business and production.
ResAuto is one of those advocates that have been, if you like, pushing the boundaries of what the digital security by design and security by design technologies can do. So a very, very valuable and if you like, insightful demonstrator project, as we call it.
We're in Ebervale in Wales, which is Thales' location. It's our worldwide centre for resilience and cyber resilience. This was a meeting and a workshop today that's really been designed to try and discuss how, in the context of these sorts of industries, these sorts of technologies would make a difference, but concentrating on the economics of it. So concentrating on how does it fit with your existing engineering processes? What does it mean for my skills? Where would it work? Where won't it work? Is it equally beneficial for everybody?
The scale of the challenges that the industry is facing now, in particularly in automotive cybersecurity, but in all areas, mean the power that we get from collaborating and working together on some of these topics it allows us to get far better results than just working on our own.
So today I was talking about what some of the engineering implications were of using Cherry, so how you'd go about engineering it, what the business case would be, what the costs of implementing Cherry are likely to be. I think it's really important to share experiences from different sort of tiers in that research framework. It's about trying to make sure there's an area where we can have that open conversation. It's about putting new ideas on the table.
People come at this from different viewpoints. The really interesting question is, how does it fit into an industrial process somewhere? Where does it fit, and how does it enhance things in the balance of things?
AESIN is the representative body for automotive electronics in the UK. We're here really to champion the cause for the industry. The UK is full of innovation, full of expertise, and we have to make sure that we get this out there and people see what we're doing.
The day has been really successful. People have given good feedback. They've liked the work that we've done. They agree with our observations. So it's been really satisfying knowing that the work we've carried out has been worthwhile.